Today I'm sharing with you an easy and authentic recipe. It's the Russian Vinaigrette Salad with a vegan twist. So come along with me and look at the recipe. It's very delicious. We like it very much. And the twist, it kind of gives a kick to the salad and we love it. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. I start with a twist right away. 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds and cover that with hot boiling water and let it soak for 15 minutes. Then I add to a pot beets and potatoes. I just do many. I just fill the pot and carrots on top. You don't have to put all that much in it because I will tell you how much you need from everything, but I like to fill the pot and cook it all at once and then use the rest for something else. 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I add some water to the pot. I fill it about halfway just so the beets are covered and the rest will steam through and will be good. Of course, I washed the vegetables first and cut off the ends a little bit, so everything is nice and clean in the pot. Here you can see how much water I have, just about half. Then I cover it with a pressure cooker lid. If you don't have that, you can just cook everything in a regular pot, but it takes way longer. So once it's cooked once through, then I take out the carrots and the potatoes because they are all good to go. I place the carrots and the potatoes onto a plate so they can cool off and I can peel them later. I check the beets. They still need a little cooking, so I make a second round. I turn it back on and let it cook through one more time. And now they are good to go as well, and I will transfer them on the plate as well. I start peeling the vegetables. So I start with the potatoes and peel them. I need 600 grams of potatoes. So that's how much I peel. For me it was about 6 potatoes. But it depends how big they are. So I used red potatoes and they are not that big. So just about 600 grams of potatoes. Now I dice the potatoes through this vegetable chopper, but you don't have to use a vegetables chopper. You can just cut it with a knife in little cubes and that will be fine too. And delicious. Now I transfer all the diced potatoes over to my bowl. I have 600 grams of diced potatoes. Now I also peel the carrots. I love to cook all the vegetables with a peel. They taste then way more nutritious and I love the taste. So that's why I'm always doing it this way. I'm not sure if you can just cook them without the peel, how it tastes then. I never tried it. I always cook it with a peel and I prefer it this way. It's easy to peel those things afterwards and yeah, very delicious. I slice the carrots a little bit so I can put them through the vegetable chopper and chop them as well. The same thing in the small cubes. They are not that small, but yeah, it's from this chopper, it's this small size of cubes. My daughter is helping me a little bit with the chopper. She has fun with it and we will be done faster. Once the carrots are all chopped, I transfer them also over to the bowl and I have 300 grams of diced carrots. Now I peel the red beet. I only need 1, so it is 200 grams of red beet. You don't have to be that precise with the gram of the vegetables. I just tell you roughly about how much vegetables I have. I sliced the red beet, same like the potatoes and the carrots, so I can put it through the chopper. There you go, there's the vegetable chopper, and I quickly chop the red beets through, and then we have those vegetables chopped. And into the bowl goes 200 grams of diced red beet. I peel 1 onion. I cut it in half, and I only need to use half of the onion. I dice it very small so the chopper won't do it. It's too big of a dice for the onion, so I think with the hand I can do it fine, and it's better for the salad if you have very small diced onion in there. So then I transfer it also to the bowl. I didn't weigh the onion, so it's just a medium-sized onion, half of it. And here I have 4 medium-sized pickles, and I will also chop them by hand because I prefer them very small also. So I just cut it into slices and then turn it around and then into slices again there, and then chop it into little dice. So there you go, and I cut all of them the same. Once all chopped, I transferred the 4 diced pickles all over to the salad bowl. I set 1 can of peas onto the sieve so they can drain, and then I add 250 grams of sauerkraut to the salad bowl. And this is the sauerkraut I use. I like the taste of it. I peel 1 clove of garlic. I put the clove of garlic through the garlic press. I love the garlic very fine, so that's why I like to do it through the garlic press. Then I add the drained peas to the salad bowl as well. Now I drain the sunflower seeds. Here I have some frozen herbs, some parsley and some dill. I have them from the garden frozen. You can use fresh parsley and dill or dried if you prefer dried. This is about a big tablespoon of parsley and about 2 tablespoons of dill. So I have more dill than parsley. I prefer it that way. So, but you can do up to taste. But I would make sure if you use dry herbs, I wouldn't do a tablespoon, I would do a teaspoon because they are dried. So I would do way less of the herbs. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means so much to me. Thank you very much. Now I add the drained 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds to the salad. I add 1 tablespoon of salt. It is up to taste, but for us it's good 1 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, but also up to taste. 4 tablespoons of olive oil, also up to taste. I give it a good mix, and the Russian vinaigrette salad is all done with a vegan twist. I hope you enjoy this recipe as well as we do. I got very good compliments for this salad, and quite a few people asked already for the recipe. So I thought I might share it with you and you will enjoy it as well. So I hope you do. The sunflower seeds kind of give that protein taste, and it gives such a good kick to it. It's such a easy and authentic, good Russian vinaigrette salad recipe. We just love it. So now on to the taste test. So I just put some of the salad into my bowl. I take the salad again somewhere, so we will share it with some other people. Everything looks so nicely diced, and I love the look of it. And look here up close, oh, some potatoes missing. There you go. That tastes very delicious, and for me this salt is just right enough, and the pepper too, but some people like more pepper. That's up to taste. Well, thank you so much for watching, and maybe you want to watch this video next, or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.